Welcome to our kitchen. We are so excited to have you here with us today. Today, we're going to discover how to make delicious pancakes without any milk. This recipe is perfect for those who are lactose intolerant, vegan, or simply looking to try something new and exciting in the kitchen. Whether you're lactose intolerant or just want to try something new, this recipe is for you. Pancakes are a breakfast favorite, and with this milk-free version, everyone can enjoy them. Here's what you'll need. 1 cup of flour. Flour is the base of our pancake batter, providing structure and texture. 1 tablespoon of sugar. This adds a touch of sweetness to our pancakes. 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Baking powder is essential for making our pancakes light and fluffy. 1/2 teaspoon of salt. A little salt enhances the flavors of the other ingredients. 1 cup of water or plant-based milk, such as almond or soy. This will help to bind our ingredients together and create a smooth batter. 2 tablespoons of vegetable oil. Oil adds moisture and richness to our pancakes. 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, optional. Vanilla adds a lovely aroma and flavor to our pancakes. Let's start by mixing the dry ingredients. This step ensures that the baking powder and salt are evenly distributed throughout the flour. In a large bowl, combine the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. Whisk them together well. This will help to aerate the flour and make our pancakes lighter. Next, make a well in the center and add the water or plant-based milk, oil, and vanilla extract. The well helps to incorporate the wet ingredients more easily into the dry mixture. Mix until you have a smooth batter. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make the pancakes tough. If the batter is too thick, feel free to add a little more water. The consistency should be pourable, but not too runny. Now let's heat a non-stick skillet over medium heat. A non-stick skillet ensures that our pancakes cook evenly and don't stick to the pan. Add a little oil to prevent sticking. You can use a brush or a paper towel to spread the oil evenly. Pour a ladle of batter into the hot pan and let it cook for about 2 minutes, or until bubbles start to form on the surface. The bubbles indicate that the pancake is cooking through. Flip the pancake and cook the other side for 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. The second side usually cooks faster, so keep an eye on it. And there you have it. Your milk-free pancakes are ready. They should be light, fluffy, and golden brown. You can serve them with fresh fruits, maple syrup, or even a bit of chocolate. Fresh fruits add a burst of flavor and nutrition, while maple syrup provides a classic sweet touch. Feel free to experiment with toppings to suit your taste. You can try nuts, seeds, or even a dollop of dairy-free yogurt. Pancakes are incredibly versatile, so have fun with it. Thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed this milk-free pancake recipe and that it inspires you to try more dairy-free cooking. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to subscribe for more delicious and easy cooking tips. We have a lot more recipes and cooking hacks to share with you. See you next time, and happy eating. Remember, cooking is all about experimenting and having fun, so don't be afraid to try new things.